Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I'm very excited to share this today. In my Angeldreamcrafts Facebook group, we are doing a swap, and the swap was for 2 tags, any style you wanted to do with your partner, and some goodies. And I was very fortunate enough to have Karen Billinger as my partner. Karen and I have been friends for a couple years now, and she's a fellow Canadian, so we have a lot in common. And she loves to art journal, she loves to do shabby, and she does the most beautiful beaded work, just incredible. And the link to Karen's channel will be in the description box down below for you guys, so you can go over and check out what she's doing. And I know that she just put up a video yesterday, so yeah, I think that's, I haven't seen it yet, Karen, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna watch it this afternoon, and I'm pretty sure it's on beading and making her beaded butterflies, which are absolutely stunning. So I'm really excited about this, Karen. So I opened up the end, let me pull everything out. And the link to the Angeldreamcrafts Facebook group is also in the description box for you guys. Oh my goodness, this is, oh my gosh. And of course I opened it upside down. Let me flip that over, and here's a card. Oh, maybe, oh my gosh. Wow. Here's the card. And it has a little butterfly on it because she knows I love butterflies. I'm going to save that sticker. There we go. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. Oh, she's made this card. Look, it's a beautiful floral background, and she's punched the corners, and then she's got glitter in the middle of the daisies. And then look at this gorgeous piece down here that has the Aurora Borealis and pearls and gorgeous seam binding. I wonder if she made that too. That wouldn't surprise me if she made that. That is absolutely stunning. And it's got a ribbon here. It's beautiful, Karen. Thank you. So let me just have a read here. It says, Dear Kim, I had loads of fun putting this package together for you. I hope you enjoyed the tags, handmade flowers, and bag of goodies. Thank you for your constant inspiration and your group on Facebook. I appreciate you more than I can say. Take care, your friend Karen. Aww, I appreciate you too, my dear friend. You're the sweetest. Thank you so much, Karen. And of course, on top you see Karen's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful flowers. Oh my goodness. These are amazing. How do I open it? I think it opens this way. I want to take these out so you guys can see them. I'll leave them on the board, but I do want to take them out so you can see her amazing work. Sorry for the crinkling. Okay, let me remove that. Whoops. Okay. Oh, these are beautiful. So she's got this beautiful white one here that she's gathered lace and a pearl. This is a yo-yo flower, and this was what I was talking about. These little beaded butterflies are stunning, and Karen makes these. They're so pretty. I don't know if my eyes can do those, but I appreciate Karen. She has sent me some, and I've been hoarding them. And I know she crochets too, so I know she crocheted these flower pieces, I'm positive. Look at this color, this beautiful plummy fuchsia color, which is one of my favorite colors. I absolutely love this. And then a beautiful, more doilies, I'm sure she made, lace, and then gorgeous little bling in the center, and I'm pretty sure she beaded that, because that's how she rolls. Another yo-yo flower here with beautiful eyelash trim and some more crocheting and bling. I love the colors, very springy colors on that one. Oh, I love that fabric. And then she's made this loopy kind of flower with fabric. How cool is that? It's got tulle underneath, and then she's just made loops with lace and fabric and ribbon. Oh my gosh, Karen, these are gorgeous. Oh, I'm kind of dying over this color. I love it. They're just stunning. Absolutely stunning. So pretty, Karen. Thank you so much. Oh my god, what's this? Goodies! Should I do that or find the tags? I think I'll do the tags. Yes, here's the tags. And she's got them all wrapped up beautifully here. So we'll open them up. Gorgeous pink ribbon. So thank you for that. And she's got it wrapped in a doily. Oh my goodness, look at the doily. Oh, Karen, I love this color. This is that ecru color, and I absolutely love it. Did you make this? You have to let me know if you made that one, Karen, because it looks hand crocheted, so I'm guessing you probably made that. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, and here's her fairy tag. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And that is a Recollections flower. You may have got that from White Rose, because I got mine from White Rose. So you may have got that from White Rose Crafts. She's got bling. It says happiness, hope, heartfelt. Some beautiful bling at the top here. It's a little buckle slider and a ribbon. And look at that fairy. And it's so glittery. Look at the glitter on there. I hope the camera picks that up. It's super glittery. I love this image of the fairy. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, and she did the back too, and another fairy. Look at the butterfly with the bling. It says, spread your wings and fly. Each moment is a gift. Oh, and look at these tiny, tiny little flowers at the bottom here. Super tiny little resin flowers in a mint green. Love those. Oh, these are so pretty, Karen. I'm going to hang these up in my craft room. That is gorgeous. And again, super glittery. Love it, love it, love it. And then here's, oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this doily. That's very old. Wow, that's beautiful. And again, it's in that beautiful ecru color. Oh, I love that. Thank you, Karen. You are the best. And then she's done one in my favorite color. And it says friends on it, and more of her beautiful crochet work, laces, and look at this. She's beaded that for sure. And another one of her beautiful butterflies. And some gorgeous flowers here. And look at, she's got little pearls on the bottom here. Hope you can see that. Little pearls on the bottom. Super pretty. It's just gorgeous, Karen. I love it. Once in a lifetime inspiration. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. And there's lace here. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. All these pearls. So those are the two amazing and beautiful tags that she sent. There's the front and the back. They're absolutely stunning, Karen. Thank you so much. Oh, I love them. And then this is the goodies. Oh my gosh, it's fabric. Ah, chocolate. Oh my gosh, girl. Well, I might have to eat one of those very soon. Thank you so much. They're Lind. Yeah, Lindor. Aw, you are the sweetest, sending me chocolate. You're awesome. Let's look at this fabric first. Oh, it's got some tape on it. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of beautiful stuff in here. Okay, look at this piece of fabric she sent me with Paris on it. Oh, it's beautiful, Karen. Oh, and you sent me a huge piece. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Oh, Karen, I love it. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh, that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's got a crown and a bee and script and flowers and Paris. Everything I love. Oh my goodness, you're amazing. Thank you so much for that. That's gonna be made into something very special. Thank you, my friend. That is beautiful, and I love this ribbon too. And then inside, it had this beautiful bag that she's made, along with the chocolate, which I'll be eating soon, and it's got butterflies on it. Another one of her beautiful beaded butterflies here. And then look at all the work that's gone into the bottom of this bag. All the pearls and resin pieces that she's put on here. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous, Karen. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, look at that. I love how you decorated that butterfly. Such a good idea. Love this lace. And then there's more trim on the back with pearls and rhinestones. Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful, Karen. Really gorgeous. Oh my gosh. And there's some goodies inside. Oh, wow. This is some crocheted trim that she's made. Look at this. Oh, and it's a double crochet trim. I think it goes that way. Oh my gosh, Karen, that's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And I used some of her crochet trim on a book that I made recently. And she has sent me some gorgeous vintage papers. Oh my goodness. Let me get that off. Oh, wow. Thank you for these. I love vintage book paper and music paper. Oh, these are from a hymnal. Oh, fantastic. Oh, I love these, Karen, and timely too, because I'm running low on music paper, so thank you so much. That is amazing. How cool is that, you guys? Awesome. And then what else is in this beautiful, gorgeous bag? Oh my gosh. Look at these doilies she's crocheted. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. And then she sent me some butterflies, which she knows I love. Those will also be put to good use, my friend. Thank you for those. And there's a huge bag of goodies here. Oh my gosh. Little resin flowers. There's die cut flowers. There's tons of stuff. I'm not going to pull it all out. Look, she's die cut me some flowers, which thank you for that, because these are great for cards. There's butterflies as well. Oh, and some clouds. How cute. Look at the clouds. Oh, I love those, Karen. And there you can see all the beautiful stuff in the bag. There's charms. Wow, bows, buttons. Oh, there's a beautiful butterfly. Oh, wow. I may have to hoard that for a while, Karen. I love that. I love that. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much. And I'm going to just stop there, and I'm going to come back with a part 2 for this, because someone's at my front door, believe it or not. So I'm going to upload this, and I will be back with a part 2. Be right back.